VVDI Key Tool Max. Support multiple functions, including generate remote and smart key, program and Immo transponder, etc. VVDI Mini OBD tool. Support Immo programming. 8a. Immo box all key lost. Testing data collect. Support Bluetooth Wi-Fi connection. Can be used with VVDI Key Tool Max to perform remote functions. Just connect the Mini OBD tool to the car OBD interface. Then connect to the Key Tool Max via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi for operation. Also supports connecting key generation tools. Chip. Key cutting machine. Smart key. Need to download the app before use. The mobile iOS system need to go to the Apple Store to download Xhorse app. The Android system need to go to the Google App Store to download Xhorse app. If you are interested in VVDI device, welcome to consult.